Joining us today are two members of the Interior Arrangement and Design Association, and they are going to show us how using just a few design strategies can change the entire look of a room without spending a cent. How do you give a formal living room some class without spending a lot of money? Well, you start by rearranging the furniture. Today, we brought in Connie Hammond, professional rearranger and member of the Interior Redesign Network, to show us how to transform a space like this using only the existing furniture. The first step was to address some of the challenges in the room.
There are three focal points in the room: the fireplace, the television, and the windows. So we want to prioritize our focal points and address the seating arrangement around it. The bookshelves are our main feature in this room, and there's so many books. We want to bring in some accessories and rebalance the weight.
The crew got to work by first clearing out the room. In a room where the architecture dictates furniture placement, it's a good idea to give yourself a fresh start. This is so you can really study the detail in your room. In this case, we left the books in the bookshelves but cleared out the rest of the room. Connie started her rearrangement by bringing back the homeowner's rug. This time, she angled it towards the television set. This will help her design a seating arrangement. Connie replaced the out-of-date sofas with a black and white striped one that she found in the family room. She angled it towards a focal point, which in this case is the television set. Next, Connie positioned the homeowner's black leather chair perpendicular to the sofa. Then on the other side came a very contemporary-styled chair, which completes our conversation cluster. Additional seating was created in between the bookshelves. The window makes it an inviting spot for guests. Now here's an interesting question. Which end table would you use? Connie chose to use the largest table. This is because the black chairs are very weighted in size and color, so the smaller tables were lost. The taller one will help balance the weight of the chairs. Speaking of tables, what seating arrangement would be complete without a place to set your drink or magazine? Notice how the black makes these three unique pieces work together. Then, a delicate table once used as a plant stand makes for a perfect coffee table. And Connie positioned it just right by sitting on the sofa and bringing the table into her knees. If you want to create additional seating but you don't want to block your focal point, try using an ottoman. The most important thing to remember is to be creative. For example, Connie used an antique cart as a sofa table, wrapped an inexpensive pot in fabric and raffia, and finally, Carol added some dramatic color and height to the fireplace with this arrangement of cut flowers and sticks. Next, Connie rearranged the bookshelves. Notice how together they look. She accomplished this by straightening the books, lying some of them down, and adding accessories. Finally, Connie added artwork to the room. This space is perfect for an oil painting done by a friend of the homeowners. The color and size make a dramatic statement. And now, here's our finished arrangement. Notice how the room feels warm and inviting. Let's take a look at what we've done today. We started with some decorating challenges, 3 focal points, multiple furniture styles, and floor-to-ceiling bookshelves. Now take a look at this. The same room feels like a whole new place. The difference is in the furniture arrangement. How did Connie do this? Well, she shifted the weight of the room, brought in a black and white sofa to balance the antique and contemporary furniture, and accessorized the bookshelves. It's a beautiful transformation from basic to unpredictable.